Was ist los jeder? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today is a rainy Sunday and there is a heavy rainfall due to typhoon here in the Philippines. That is why no one is going outside of their houses. So this is the perfect moment for us Gunpla builders to stay at home and build our own kits. So I have here a model kit from Bandai, which came from the anime series Mobile Suit Gundam Double Zeta, or the Double Zeta Gundam. So this is the Double Zeta Gundam Verka, which was released by Bandai in the year 2017. So this is my first time to build this Verka version of this Double Zeta, and I was planning if I will buy the regular release, and I was disappointed by some of its features. That's why I decided to buy this Double Zeta Gundam. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. Found beer and loose kits. So the box of this Gundam Double Zeta is your typical Verka design, which is having a white background, and you can see the transformation of this mobile suit, and it is standing in front of it, and the Double Zeta color scheme is just like the Zeta Gundam and the rest of the protagonist model kit or mobile suits. So this is a Bandai kit and it was released in 2017. So the box is a little bit heavy because it's packed with too much parts, and you can see here in the side of the box the explanations written in both English and Japanese text, and we can see the mobile suit here separated into three parts: the core fighter, and the, I think this one is the upper torso, and the lower body or the leg part of the Double Zeta. The other side of the box, we can see the combined transformation of the Double Zeta, and there we can see the front view and the rear view, and judging by how this Double Zeta looks, for me it looks like a turtle due to its big massive backpack here. And there we can see the feature of the face, the missile hatches from the backpack, and some detailing parts here, and the pilot figure in the core fighter. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. There we have here the traditional printout for Verka manuals, where we can see the whole face of the kit and its upper body, and there we can see some colored prints for the kit, where there is English translation for every Japanese explanation, and this is very nice, and it will be understandable for non-Japanese builders. And there you can see some missile hatches there, front view, back view, the mechanism for the legs, core fighter, and the pilot, which is I forgot this name, to be honest. And yeah, he's Judah Ashta, and there we can see some iconic pose of the double Zeta after being transformed or combined and becomes a mecha model or mobile suit in the anime. And there we can see the different gimmicks, transformation, and weapons here. Okay, so we can see the parts list here. There are too much parts as I can assess here, and they are big runners. So I guess I can build this 1 day or 2 days, because right now I'm not that fast in building kits, because I'm prioritizing things before my wedding. So building kit right now is just a part-time and a pastime stress reliever for me. So there we can see how to build the core fighter. The usual, it's black and white printout for Bandai model, and there as I can see, the half of this manual is about how to transform the kit. Okay, so I'm not into transforming this kit because as what I told you before, I don't like transforming kits because it will damage the joints in the long run, and it will lose some of the joint parts or the pegs. That's why I will just keep this kit into its mobile suit form. Okay, so let's go to the pack. The runners here, we have blue runners, yellow runners, white runners, and some clear parts. We have white runners. I think this one for the armor pieces. We have stickers, foil stickers. This one is like aqua green or aqua blue. Then we have here red runners, white runners for this one for the head, and then this is Judah Ashta pilot figure, and we have just check this beam saber effect part here. It's very large. It's like a beam saber for the perfect grade Gundams. So this is quite large, and there we have red runners. We have gray parts for the inner frames. We have blue parts and polycaps for this kit. We have silver sprayed pieces here, parts for details. And there we have again gray parts for the inner frame. Red runners and gray runners with the decals here, these water slide decals. And finally we got here gray parts for again the inner frames. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. Let's start here with the multicolored runners, which is runner A, and I'm surprised that we have 2 sets of runner A here, and this is or these are for the core fighter, I think, core fighter parts and wings. So we have yellow colored runners, white runners, blue runner, and transparent runners here. Then we have white runner here for the head and the pilot figure of Judah Ashta. And we have 2 sets of runner E here, white runners. These are for the beam saber, giant beam saber, and for the white armor pieces. So we got also here a gigantic beam saber effect parts, and this is equivalent to beam saber of perfect grade Gundams. It's color pink actually. We have red runners here. This is runner F2, and we have another red runners, which is runner F1. And we go to the gray parts, inner frame parts, ABS plastic. We have here runner B. We got, actually this is not ABS, I'm sorry. This is like polystyrene plastic, rubbery pipe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is runner C here, and another runner C. So we have two sets of runner C for the gray parts inner frame. We got here blue parts for the chest pieces. I don't know which part is this. And we got polycaps, fair amount of polycaps. We got here another gray runners. This is runner D for inner frame parts. Mostly inner frame parts are gray colored. We got here a bluish gray or dark bluish gray for, I think this one for the backpack. So these are runner I, two sets of runner I. And finally we got here silver parts, sprayed parts. This is runner G2. We got here also foil stickers for the eyes, and I think this one for the camera lenses, and this water slide decals. So again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of Gundam Double Zeta Verka model kit from Bandai, Master Grade, and see you next time after I build this and wait for the review of this kit. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care. Keep safe here in the Philippines, especially there's heavy rains due to typhoon. So see you next time. Choose, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat.